Welcome to Technique Friday with Els. Today I will show you how to create a sparkly birthday card using our silk microfine glitter and Deco Foil, and then of course the beautiful Happy Birthday 3 from Suzanne. It's a quick and simple card, and you know, a lot of times you need that, and of course this one you can make for men and women, so you can use it for everybody basically. If you make it really colorful, you can use it for kids as well. So what I have, so I have a base like my A2 size card. I have a piece of black cardstock, and this is white cardstock with our clear double-sided adhesive on top. And here I have a piece of Deco Foil. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take off that piece of the release sheet. I'm going to use it as a handle, and kind of, you know, I was playing at the shows and I thought, oh, that's fun, so I just kind of put it on there. I'm just keep going till I think it's nice. So you need to pull it, because as the Deco Foil goes, you kind of need to pull it harder, but that's fine. And you can make your own little frame. And here you can, I can do a fingerprint, and that, you see, that's my fingerprint. Get that in it as well. And you just kind of go around randomly. I can press it down more or less. It's just a fun, I love this technique. And you can use all different colors. Here I use kind of an amber color. And I kind of stay away from the middle. You see, so you just get a random, take a different piece, just a random, I don't press it all the way down. You just go around. And then the rest we will fill in with glitter. And in this case, we're going to use the warm diamonds. And you just, when you think it's enough, it looks so cool. You notice what you do when you play and try things. You see, I can do a little bit more, here a little bit more. And you just go around till you're happy with the result. I think this is cool. See, so now I have my foil here, so you can take any color. Then I'm going to bring in my glitter tray. And in this case, because I have an amber foil here, I choose the warm diamond. And it just will pick up everywhere where there's no foil. So you create a really cool background. Will be really nice with Christmas as well, like with the Merry Christmas on there. Will be pretty. So of course coffee filter. And just make sure you cover the whole piece, brush it off. Get my glitter back into the jar. And then of course polish this. And for the people that don't know yet, I cannot imagine, but this is the if this is the first YouTube you see, I have like a cardboard lid here with a Swiffer in here, with a floor Swiffer, and it kind of catches up all the glitter that's coming off. And then brush it off after you polish it. The back as well, so no glitter. And then I can start putting my card together. I'm just using our like 6mm tape here. And again, any occasion, like a beautiful Merry Christmas on that, it will be really nice as well. And of course, from Suzanne we have like several beautiful Merry Christmas, season's greetings, several happy birthdays as well. So I'm using the latest one here, the number 3. It's kind of cool because it has like 2 different types of script in there. So just center this as nicely as possible, of course. Here you go. And this goes, and then if you want to, you can use some 3D tape on there if you like to raise it a bit. I just kept it easy. There you go. I think I'll use this side like this. And then you have your card. And then I have the Happy Birthday here, and for that I used the Tim Holtz pad, the gold and silver. And so I had double-sided adhesive on the back, and I run it through the die cutting machine, and you just take it out here. And the fine one might not have cut all the way through, which is fine, but then I can lift it up. So I'm going to see that in a second. So here I have the birthday. Going to adhere that. Oh, let me try this one. Let me take this one out first, because then I can position it. Oh, it did cut all the way through. So that's nice. So again, the gold cardstock with the double-sided adhesive, our clear double-sided adhesive. And you can use either the roll or the sheets for this. And just poke out the pieces. Look at that, it's beautiful. And how delicate it is, and it still cuts it beautiful with the tape on the back. And then I kind of can position it first. And have a look at this one. See, I'm going to position it about the same, so you can make a lot of cards in a day. And you have a stack ready to go. Will be nice with silver as well, or you use a colored Deco Foil. I love that new happy birthday. And then this one again, so it's ready to go. And of course, if you know me, this would be a stencil now for another card. And I'm just going to keep this like this. And just lay it down. And that's how easy it is to make a card like this, a beautiful card. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I suggested a couple of videos I think you might like. And don't forget to download the free project sheet and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.